Hello, Radiant Jet here. Just showing you my Bebop drone here. As you all know, everyone who has one of these probably have the same issue with the feet coming off. So this was actually a new one I just got back because the other one had a major camera issue. So they sent me a new one. So what I did was I've been thinking a way to put a new type of foot on. So I took the feet off and I did this. And it sits very level as long as you cut the zip ties to the same size. As you can see, it's not shaky or anything. It's nice and, sturdy. All I did was I took a zip tie. All I took was took a zip tie, took the feet out, and put the front end. Hold on, let me try to do this better for you. I just I just made a loop into the hole to where it came out like this. And then you zip tie it, and then you cut it to the right length you want it. And then you will end up with this. I've been using it and it works great. I mean it's sturdy, it's not wobbly. Go ahead and try it out for yourself. Just make sure and get a good enough thick zip tie. Thank you.